Hello iPhone users, if you want your messages, iMessages chat to be saved, I am going to tell you some ways, right? One of them is first, you go to the messages and tap on the chat you want to save. What you have to do is you have to hold one message, you tap on more, and then you select all the messages. As you can see on the left hand side, the blue ticks are there, right? Then you tap on the arrow on lower right hand side corner, and then there will be option of sending to and a whole message of your chats whichever you selected, right? Another is you can screen record chats by sliding it, right, whichever it is, and it will be saved in your gallery forever. Whenever you want to see, you can check it up. And the last is screenshot it. The basic one is screenshot the chat. That is how you can save your iMessages, right? This is done so that you can compile at one place and delete chats from the messages. See you in the next video. Tada!